A challenge for all asset managers is obtaining and maintaining a comprehensive understanding of the condition of their assets. Uaviation create 3D digital twins of real-world assets for the purpose of monitoring condition. 3D digital twins allow for maintenance information to be captured and located on the 3D model, improving understanding and communication of defects through your organization and to subcontractors. Surveys of this kind enable a clear asset history throughout their life cycle, facilitating the tracking of defects as they grow in severity over time. Gone are the days of a photo and some hastily scribed notes. Now you can observe, locate, and measure defects in 3 dimensions, giving asset managers the confidence that nothing has gone wrong or undiagnosed and that they have a full understanding of their portfolios. All this is made possible using drones and state-of-the-art 3D capture software. Our mission is to provide asset managers with the knowledge and tools they need to have confidence in their assets. If you would like to know more about how we can assist you with your asset management challenges, please call us or contact us through our website at contact@uaviation.com.au.